Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by signing in and locating the Upload button. This gives you control over file privacy and link settings. Once logged in, click Upload and select the file from your device. This initiates the transfer. Make sure your file size fits your account limits, since larger files require a paid plan. While the file uploads, decide whether you want a public or private link, because this affects who can access it and whether a password or expiration is needed. Once the upload finishes, you configure access settings. This is where you control sharing and security. Click the file, select Share, then pick Public, Private, or add a password. Passwords prevent unauthorized downloads. Make sure to set link expiration if sensitive. After choosing options, click Copy Link to put the MediaFire URL on your clipboard. You can now paste it into email, chat, or a document. Do check that the link opens in an incognito window to confirm permissions. To finish, always test your link from a different device or an incognito tab so you see exactly what recipients will see. If the link fails, check privacy settings, whether the link expired or if account quota is exceeded. Resolving those usually restores access. Once done, you can revoke or change permissions from the dashboard to stop sharing. If upload stalls, retry with a stable connection and, if necessary, split large files into smaller archives before re-uploading.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.